Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix network cable unplugged problem in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go with settings. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your settings, proceed to the left side of your screen. It has this network and internet. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you need to scroll down and go with advanced network settings. Click on it once again. And here you need to go with Ethernet. Here you need to disable and enable it. Okay, click on disable to enabled. And the moment you have enabled it, just have to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, and let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to our next step, which is at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up, and you need to go with device manager. So once you have opened your device manager, expand it first, and here you need to proceed to network adapters. Okay? And since our network cable is the problem in your case, go with this Realtek PCLE GBE family controller, which is your network cable adapter, and then do a right click and go with update driver. Here it will in this window it will opt you to choose two options, which are automatically search and manually search for drivers. Proceed to the very first, and when your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, proceed to search for updated drivers in Windows Update. So it will redirect you to the update of the drivers. Just have to put a lot of patience with it since it will take some time and it will depend on the network connections that you are connecting with. Okay? So once you're done, just simply close this window and you need to restart your computer, and I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay? So the third method that I could show you is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type CMD to search for command prompt. Here, go with run as administrator, and when your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed to yes so that you would be able to open your command prompt as administrator. Here you need to input a command which is ipconfig space forward slash flushdns. So don't worry because I'll be pasting this at the description box below. So don't worry for that. Once it says that successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, proceed to the second one, which is netsh space winsock space reset. Okay, click enter. And now it says here successfully reset the winsock catalog. You need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully, this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.